we literally have had an amazing turnout on our webinar for one reason. One thing I wanted to share with you guys today is how important it is in an economy where everyone that's watching this video knows what's going on. 33 million people and companies lost their jobs. People are being laid off, right? I'm not a big negative person. I've always been a glass half full versus half empty. But reality is reality. And when it comes to what's going on in America, things are starting to open up. It's looking really, really positive. So I want to help you guys with your credit. I want to help you with your finances. I have a mission and a drive since this entire thing has happened back in the beginning of March. I have had a mission to help millions of people change your life, not only financially, but increase their credit score and increase their families' lives. So I want to make sure that you guys first and foremost are staying healthy, getting away from this virus, keeping your social distancing, but more importantly, providing for your family. I have dedicated to giving you 3 secrets. And the 3 secrets that I want to share with you, that I'm going to share with you on this webinar, it's absolutely free. If you can't spend an hour with me learning 3 secrets that can change the rest of your life, if you're that lazy that you can't spend 1 hour of your time to learn 3 secrets, and you're probably like, yeah, Mike, but who are you? All right, most of you guys know me. Most of you guys know that, okay, I've run multiple 8-figure businesses, okay? How am I doing that in a down economy? Why am I any different? I'm not any different than you guys. The only difference between me and you is I'm taking action. And I'm using this economy as a springboard to the next level. Yeah, I get to the top of the mountain, but then I look for the next mountain. I don't give up on my goals and my dreams just because of a virus. I don't want you guys to either. So I've made it my mission to help every single person. I'm going to share with you 3 secrets, okay? And there's 3 secrets I'm going to share with you. Number 1 is you need to have more clients, and you need to know where to get those clients from. Because if you don't know where to get clients from, whether you're self-employed, employed, looking for a side business, trying to scale your regular business that you have going on, if you don't have clients, you have no money. Okay? A business with no clients means 0. It means you can call yourself a solopreneur, a guy with nothing. Okay? Because there's nobody paying you. The clients are the ones that are paying you. So I'm going to show you where to get more clients, how to get more clients, very simply. I'm going to show you how to build a landing page. Okay? I'm going to show you how to build a course. Okay? What are some of the things that we're doing right now? I don't leave my house and I don't pick up the phone. How do you make millions of dollars a year without doing those 2 things? That's what I'm showing with you guys. This is the best webinar I've ever done. This is the absolute best webinar I've ever done it. And literally, it's an hour of your time. I'm asking for an hour of your time so I can show you exactly what we're doing. I promise to be transparent and literally not hold anything back. And then secret number 3 that you guys need to know is you need to know what's going on with social media. In 2020, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Okay? LinkedIn is getting bigger. There's going to be some that are coming in, but I want to focus on those 3 right there, as well as email marketing. Okay? So Facebook, Instagram, email marketing, and YouTube. We're going to show you how to run ads, and not only run ads organically, but run them to where when you pay for ads, that you actually make money by paying for ads. I know this sounds kind of counterproductive, but we're actually being paid to run ads. When you learn that concept right there, you can scale indefinitely. If I put $1 in and I get $28 back, is that a good move? Give me a thumbs up if you think if I put $1 into Facebook, Instagram, we're going to the same company, right? Zuckerberg owns both of them. If I put $1 in, and right now I'm receiving $28 back, put in comments or give me a thumbs up if you think that's a good investment or a bad investment. $1 in, 28 back, because that's what we're doing right now. I will teach you those 3 secrets: how and where to get more clients, how to build a landing page and a course, okay? And I'll show you actually how to get paid step by step on how to actually build Facebook ads and Instagram ads so you guys can do it no matter what, down economy, up economy. If we're running an 8-figure business in a down economy, you can only imagine what's going to happen as soon as this thing opens back up. And that's what I'm willing to share. Nobody else will do a webinar like I'm about to do. And the reason for that is because they don't want to show their success. I don't care. My mission is my mission, and I won't stop until I hit it. So click the link below, get registered. We can only have 250 people on this webinar, okay? And believe me, the minute this video goes out, it's going to be viral, and people are going to want to be on it. So as soon as you get, just click the link. It's free to join. Get on there. Check it out. You have nothing to lose, but everything to gain. We're talking about free content, okay? That's what I'm sharing with you guys. Get on there. Check it out. See the 3 secrets that we're doing. I'm going to share with you. I'm going to go in depth on each one of them, and I want to see each and every one of you guys on Facebook, Instagram. I know this is a YouTube channel, but I want to share with you guys what we're doing and how we're doing it. So get your pen and paper ready. Click the link below. Register. I want to see each and every one of you guys. Love you. Thank you, YouTube. I appreciate you. Talk to you soon. Let's roll.